Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now, I know that you are missing your study, but not now. And today we are just going to start our composition portion. Okay, in composition we are just going to take letters. Let's discuss about the letter first. Okay, letters. In our syllabus we talk about letters. There are 4 types of letter. Types of letter. Types of letter. 4 in our syllabus. Okay, first one is job application. First one is job application. Second, editorial letters. Editorial letters. Third one, official letters. Official letters. And the fourth one is business letter. Business letters. We have these 4 letters and we have to study them. But today we are just going to study job application. It's not tough, it's easy. Okay, we have to learn only a format. But first we'll see how many parts are there in letters. Okay, so keep your focus on the board. Parts of letters. If I talk about the parts of letters, there are 7 parts. First comes, I'm just talking about the parts of letters. Parts of letters. Okay, first, sender's address. Sender's address. Okay, sender's address. Second, date. Third one, receiver's address. Fourth, salutation. Okay, salutation. Fifth, body. We can say communication also. Communication. Sixth, signature. 7, closing. Okay, these are the 7 parts we have to follow. The first one is sender's address. First we have to write down the sender's address, then date. Third one is receiver's address, then salutation, body. Sixth one is signature, and the 7th one is closing. Okay, now I'm just going to write the format of job application so that you can understand it better. Job application. Job application. Job application. Keep in your mind, when we write job application, we have to add CV also. CV means curriculum vitae. It is called resume also. Okay, now let's see from starting. As I told you that the first part is sender's address, so you have to write down what sender's address. For example, 121 Vijayapath. Okay, and Vijayapath, where is it? In Mansarovar. So write down here Mansarovar. Okay, this one is address of what? Senders. Okay, and then date. For example, we are writing on 1st July, so we will take here July 1st. July 1st, 2020. Okay, and after this we have to write down receiver's address. Means to say, who is receiving our letter. For example, just suppose if we are going in a company, there will be director or personal manager, okay, who will see our letter. If you are writing in a company, so write here personal manager, and or you can say director also. Okay, in a school, principal is there, and in other company there are head who see your letters. So for example, just suppose we are writing in a school, so write down here the principal. We take company, okay. Personal manager, okay. He is the person who will read, who will receive your letter, okay. Then the designation, name of the company where he is head. For example, the Genpact, okay. And this where is it located? Write down. It is in Jaipur. So write down Jaipur. This is the second part, third part, receiver's address. This one is the first, this one is second, and now this is third. Then comes your subject. Subject tells the reason why you are writing letter, okay. Subject, we are writing job application, so we are writing for job, okay. We are requesting for job, so write here an application, for the post of and desk. Subject, an application for post of. In the blank we have to write the name of the post, okay. So here comes post. I am just writing format only. Then madam, this is salutation, okay. First one address, which address is this? Sender's address. Then date, then receiver's address, subject, okay. You have to tell here the reason why you are writing job application, or for which post you are writing. Then salutation, sir or madam. I think you have got it till now, okay. I am just removing it. Okay, now let's talk about the body, okay. Whatever we have written, okay, the thing I'm just going to write now will come that we have written already. Come down, whatever we have written already. This is in a response to your advertisement published in desk on desk for the post of desk, okay. Then I am applying as one of the candidate. Candidates. My academic qualification, five-year experience, latest skills, and pleasing personality. Make me a suitable candidate. candidate. Therefore, I enclose my resume for your personal perusal and kind consideration. This is body. Okay, what we have to do in the application of job, we have to fill these 3 blanks. After filling these blank, okay, yes, by filling these 3 blanks we can complete job application. We can write any job application. Okay, we can answer any question of job application by writing this format. What you have to do, we have try to understand what I said. This is in a response, this is response, this is answer of your advertisement. Just suppose you have seen advertisement, okay, an advertisement in the newspaper, and you find their job, so you are writing job application. Then you are writing what? This is in response to your advertisement. Published, that published in, you have to write here what? The name of newspaper. Just suppose the Times of India. Times of India. Okay, the Times of India. On, you have to write here what? Date. Just suppose you are writing today and the advertisement published yesterday, so we have to write the date of yesterday, not today. If you are writing a day, okay, a day back. On for the post of, and we have to write here what? Post, name of the post. Just suppose we are writing for lecturer post, so lecturer, okay, in English, whatever we are writing, okay, or you can write here computer operator, okay, and then I am applying as one of the candidates. I am applying as one of the candidates. My academic qualification, 5-year experience, latest skills and pleasing personality make me a suitable candidate. Therefore, I enclose my resume for your personal perusal. Perusal means reading, okay, for your personal perusal and kind consideration. Thanking you. Then yours faithfully and your name. Okay, there will be your name, and after writing your application you have to write CV also. Without CV your job application is not complete, so we have to write CV also. CV means resume. Okay, so resume. First come personal details such as name, okay, your name, then father's name, okay, DOB, date of birth, okay, address, email, mobile number, then address. This is your personal detail. After writing personal detail, you will write your qualification detail. Okay, after personal detail, then comes qualification details. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. MA, whatever you have done, okay, your latest degree. Then BA, 12th and 10th. For example, RACIT. MA, 65%, BA 70, 12th 75, RACIT 65%. Okay, just telling here course percentage, then comes year, in which year you have passed. Okay, MA, just suppose you have done in 2015, so there will be 2015, BA in 2013, okay, 12th 2010, and RACIT, it can be done any year, so we are writing here 2015. After this, you have to write down your hobbies. Reading, writing, playing, etc. Okay, like this you have to add your resume, and after adding resume, your job application is complete. Now you have learnt, okay, got it.